Welcome back, friends, to TV5 News at 9. And it's time now for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare. Joining us this morning, a real treat, Beth Charlton, President and CEO of Covenant Healthcare. Thank you so much for being here. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Of course, I'm so excited to meet you. Thank you.
Likewise.
Well, Hospital Week is this week, so it's celebrating this week, and Nurses Week actually began Friday. And as the President and CEO of Covenant Healthcare, why is just the entire week so important to you?
It's just really an opportunity to be able to say thank you to all the remarkable people who work in the hospital, who work in nursing, and just contribute so much to the healthcare in the community. So it's kind of taking a moment's pause and being able to just say thank you and celebrate them for a moment.
So during Hospital Week, who is celebrated during that week?
Literally everybody in the hospital is celebrated. So we do multiple things where we have some raffles and some other kinds of things. We walk around, we do some celebrating by sharing food, of course. Everybody loves a good snack or two. We did some ice cream sundaes and things like that. We also do some acknowledgement and recognition for years of service. And then we also give some Nursing Excellence Awards. So there's some individuals that are selected for just really being the epitome and the greatness that is nursing at Covenant.
That is so exciting.
Yes.
Now, your team at Covenant really stepped up to care for the community the past 2 years.
Absolutely.
So what was it like to work with your team during that pandemic?
It was remarkable to see the kinds of things that people did to sort of put aside their own fears, their concerns, etc., to be able to come in every day, every night, every shift, and be able to provide remarkable health care to the community. So it was really something. There was a lot of innovation, just a lot of great teamwork that was exemplified during that time. I'm
just so amazed just looking at nurses and all of the healthcare workers during this time, how they've been so resilient and so amazing.
Absolutely.
And they keep their bedside manner the entire time. And they're just little angels on earth. Really, they are. We love them so much.
Likewise.
Is there anything else that you'd like to say to your current or former employees, nurses, students, residents, or any volunteers right now who are watching?
Just thank you. Thank you so much for everything that you do. You're a remarkable group of people, people who can set aside, again, sort of their own things to be able to contribute and give their gifts and their talents towards the betterment of healthcare for the area. It's just remarkable work. Thank you for everything that you've done. We're so very appreciative of it.
Yes, we are. The entire community, very appreciative. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to talk a little about you. Now your career started in nursing and now you are the CEO. So what would you say to viewers who are considering a career in nursing or healthcare?
Well, it's been remarkable for me. 33 years ago I started as a student nurse, and if you would have ever told me that I would have had the opportunities that I've had, I would have laughed you from here to somewhere. But it's just been remarkable. You can work in nursing in a whole host of arenas, whether that's information technology, working on the computer, whether that's working at the bedside, whether that's working in a clinic. We have the youngest patients, right, with our little neonatal babies, all the way up to geriatric nursing and being able to work with our senior population in a whole host of settings. So there's just remarkable opportunity. And you can just really give that special compassion and care that's just really necessary. So if you can lend that touch to it, sky's the limit in terms of positions for you.
I have to tell you, when my little son Jacob had a scare in the football field and had to go to Covenant, just let everyone from the front desk staff to the nurses, the doctors, they treated him so wonderful, and they treated all the patients up there. Everyone I talked to said it's wonderful coming here because you don't feel like you're hurt. You feel like you're going to be okay.
We really try to exemplify seeing patients as the people that they are. Everybody has a moment when they're either at their best or at their worst, and we just want to be able to be there for them and provide that care and compassion for them.
Well, we love you.
I'm glad we did it for you.
Yes, you did, and we appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Of course. You're so welcome. If you would like any additional information on today's topic, just head on over to the Hot Links page, WNEM.com.